All right. Ladies and gentlemen, now welcome back. I see the late night show, and of course, we still get my two guys in the building, Sly and of course Monkals. Now we won't play one game anytime from now. And then what we see, because they don't to fight for this place today, so we want to see who person gets swag pass, who person sabi pass, or some kind of remembrance things. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, we pull out now. By my left hand corner, weighing 77 kilograms. Abi, maybe 77 kilograms. 197 kilograms. Monkals. Yeah. And on my right, weighing 592 kilograms. Sly. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is now the battle of the names. The battle of the names. Not already? Not already? Muna chop knuckle together. Chop knuckle together. Now, anybody who miss for this particular game, you must take one shot of the alky. The alky. All right. So now we go do names of comedians. Anybody who hook, anybody who pause, anybody who think, don't miss. We're not ready? All right. So quickly, we go start with the first one. Names of comedians. After the count of 3, we start. And Asla, you go start. Names of comedians. 1, 2, 3.
Alibaba.
Julius Ago.
Hey! Oh! No passing. My brother drank the drink.
What you they want to do so?
Drank the drink.
What you they want to do so?
Ladies and gentlemen, the show will still continue. Because for this one, no thinking, no pausing, no breaking, no match break any. You drink also? We'll carry host give you.
I drink.
Or you want straw?
I drink.
All right. Names of musicians for inside Nigeria. Musicians. Count of 3, Monkals. Now you go start now. 1, 2, 3.
Two-Face.
Timaya.
Yes. So. All right. So down now. Ladies and gentlemen, not the hot. So right now 1. Easy bit. How do you see how?
I dey feel am.
The battle is on.
I dey feel am.
All right. So now we'll change our small. Names of actresses for inside Nigeria. We're not ready? Slide, I go start now at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Inedo.
Genevieve.
Nadia Buhari.
Tonto Dike.
Jennifer.
Jennifer Lopez.
Ego deal right.
Slayo.
Jennifer Lopez.
Slayo.
They say
Jennifer Lopez.
I can say Jennifer Aniston. My brother drank the drink.
see model. See sugar company oga.
Not true. You are a sugar company, somebody, but you be laborer before. You should know some kind of things.
It not mean. But you know, say this place where you stay, they say be like hot seat.
Yeah.
Plus the sound of this DJ they play, and then look at the easy.
So,
the one where you remember before you call the forget am.
Now, no matter. I call the drink.
I call it Niedo. You want call the Niedo any? You want call her from back.
Remixing.
You want remix?
Okay. So now.
Jennifer Lopez.
So now we're not ready. We'll continue. So now 2-1 now. Monkals they lead. We're not ready for the next one now.
Yeah.
So now we're going to do names of states inside Nigeria. Slide down first just now. Monkals will start now. At the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Lagos State.
Delta.
Abia State.
Akwa Ibom.
Cross River State.
River State.
Niger State.
Bayelsa State.
Why do snake it like this? like Chinese.
As I look your face, come like they write the state for your face.
Don't do
Before they
Before we forget,
Oh yeah, drink first.
I come to find the next state for you.
don't forget.
2-2. Good.
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, if I say remain one more, make we see who go be the final. But at the same time, make we see how the whole thing go take go. All right. So, names of girls. What? Girls. I go say girls. Why you say you too like woman say? All right. Names of cars. Names of cars. All right. Slide. I go start now at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Mercedes-Benz,
Hummer Jeep.
Honda,
Accord.
Toyota.
Sit down. Hey!
It's a Honda be a
Sit down.
about Accord.
Okay, so slide. How far now?
Adina.
The drink is calling.
Where first?
Waiting.
Wait, oh. I call.
Okay,
I
okay,
call
now.
No.
You go Honda now. You don't put the Accord now.
Accord na company name. Accord na motor company name.
All right,
You know they see
Accord na brand.
wait, you know they see some Honda way the other go come out only Accord remain.
sometimes they happen. They happen.
Na Honda, but you know say na
That the
Honda.
one way be at
But
the
But at the end of the day, you know say na
Bonnie, that
Honda.
one. Drake.
This drink is calling you. Drink a little bit.
Wait.
Drink this thing, not talk.
We will still do them again. This time we will
No,
mention names of shrine.
we get one more lifeline where because it be like this now. This guy can't they win.
What is this boy the plan not good? I say more they mention names of shrine.
No be
You know
everybody.
say na Jasmine Pikin.
No
You
be
know say go use
no be
that.
everybody dey go shrine. You understand? But we get
No,
one
no
more
need that one.
lifeline where Monkals will take save himself or still fall for the same thing again.
When we do shrine, by the time I mention Fela shrine, you know, can't get another one to talk.
They call do what? Different
will tell you.
things. Easy bit. Now you go talk the next one what they go do now. Now you go talk the next one now.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Okay, name of phones we una know. Name of phones we una know.
All right. So Monkals, now you go start now. Names of phones where una know. At the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Samsung,
Nokia,
HTC,
Triumph,
BlackBerry.
Sagem.
Okay.
Why is happening like this? Everybody
I
like this.
say Phoenix now, you dey look me.
You don't call it anything.
Now for your mind, it dey.
Wait, so you know the phone can't finish. As I come BlackBerry, I got the
We will sell accessory party go school.
I'll be
All right.
call WhatsApp.
Has to be like this. Like drink first.
Oh, boy.
Drinking.
This drink
Anyway,
is
so
calling.
On a decision now, don't they eye you? I don't eye.
All right, easy bits. Give me small applause and every of the whole thing. All right, for the person who win for this whole thing,
Wait, who
because
win go see drink?
go see drink with him.
What do you want?
Ladies and gentlemen, Sly now be our winner.
Chanduki chachane perde rande chaniko chachiko chai.
Exactly.
An Indian man no go fit speak a language for 1 minute, make you not put English. That na to tell us say he know how to speak English. You go hear him. Are chanduki chachane perde rande. Very simple. You must put English.
Oh, so for the whole thing.
English must they those days we be like say we dey watch those movies where you go see the boss don't vex.
Hey!
You don't vex. You go hear him. Haram sade. Make it karki tashki Mary kill your daughter.
They go chuka.
They must put inside. You go hear the mama go say, Nahi, Nahi. Make it karki toji kuchi. I think God beg you. Make it karki toji karki puti.
I think I'll beg you to enter inside
So
somewhere.
inside. You must put it inside.
Monkals,
Okay.
how do you feel being the losing team?
My brother no be made with the first person to after yesterday Chelsea Chelsea come on. Chelsea come on.
Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, I get two of the very funny guys there inside the building, Monkals, but before we come out, I get some pictures that I want to show now. And now we'll just say because as I see your baby like this now, remind me of one haircut what I see for one particular picture for somewhere. All right, so for screen, we go see the picture now. I mean, they just drop and then from there we'll talk about them before we come out to start the whole show. Now, you sure you don't see the haircut? Monkals, this thing remind me of you well. Wella.
This guy's name must be Namdi.
Share the head, resemble Namdi head.
I'm telling you. Say, when Namdi don't go stay Cotonou 10 years, you don't know what they have for Nigeria and the head already take off back.
All right, I'll come get one other picture, one second picture, back to back. Everybody don't experience this thing. When cleaning your ear, you can turn to something magical.
But this thing funny, nothing sweet for this life like cleaning your ear. Those days say they never invent cotton bud. Now foul feather.
Foul feather.
You just put
Wait first now. You just see the foul they run. Would they pursue foul because you want scratch it? But like say all the foul come say they remove their feather. Why would the mama don't use all the foul feather for your house to scratch here? The foul don't get feather again. You just catch it. You not pull up. Then they push feet.
They can't they put up.
Oh, that's it.
And once the person don't they turn on like
oh,
that.
liar.
They know they won't disturb.
You get how the finger take the beat.
They know they won't
like
disturb.
this.
If you call her, as in the scratch you hear, if you call her Monkals, if you pass a sleep.
So the pass bus stop now, if you don't have a side bus, if you forget your bus stop, from that place, yeah,
you get where the thing.
See Monkals.
You get where the thing goes.
No, they think they play love.
Wait, get where the thing goes sweet you reach here. When you don't scratch here, you fold and keep for paper. Make it for no loss because you get the kind of feather with the sweet.
You don't get this experience well. Then they reserve for future safety.
They use that to play love. Back in those days for Calabar, one man, the wife don't use that to they play love with her. He come put her for the ear. Honey? The idiot. That's how you the artist. The man does sleep.
I wish you would know. You just collect one kind of big slap.
Now, so the thing that the man ear.
If for there lock up.
If from
there lock up. Because you get the one person, you go enter your calm.
No, that thing is
enter your calm.
At times, if you want really get fun, you dey leave am for like that kind of 3 weeks. You never scratch your
Just
ear.
save am now. You just save am.
You never scratch ear for 3 weeks. And when you want to scratch the ear, so now white fowl, new one.
You just scratch it.
You always like they call this thing come out. You better say experience join this whole thing. But ladies and gentlemen, as it be like this now, we'll carry out come up from inside the late night show with my guy Sly and of course Monkals on the every. Sly, thank you for being the winner for today.
Okay.
On to every Monkals, thank you for being the guy.
See the eye with the eye. Says the eye, man.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining us on top of the late night show for today. Easy beats.
Yes, boss.
How far your side?
Thank
you, so you hold down the wheels of steel as usual.
Hey yo, easy beats.
Easy beats.
You go find one Calabar song play for us. Now one song where we go do a ticket for. All right, ladies and gentlemen, before I come up for
you get one song with the rest for
which song they rain?
I go give her a letter.
Before
never cheat chomching.
Which one be that one?
Never cheat chomching. Above you go chunchi chomching.
I
go give her DJ.
All right, so we're gonna go for Twitter at WLate Night Show. Make una reach for there. Then una tell us how and every una feel about the show. All right, so thank you very much to all of una. We don't watch the show this night. They come back. All right. See you now tomorrow, Friday.
Hey yo.
Easy bits.
Hey yo.
Yo. Monkals, don't show us a TV. We can't more do a TV.
Cause we like Pablo, you dash me money, I go Bola for Lagos. I call her Messi, say I don't have to go club. Where all the babies, say baby cause they are the club. I say she's me for if not, now me they sing song. I'm bad like King Kong. He ain't Calabar, he ain't Calabar, he ain't Calabar, he ain't Calabar.
No ya piso porque magana wan say yende eloska kaya moto yedi moto meka yedi ka for citizen ashawo bastard abanaya why because I'm on sometimes I funk a kid on skin Amadanko let's go pass it abaya
just feel like I do. You dash me body, I go baller for Lagos.